So this is my new toy, Chevrolet Camaro 1989, the IROC-Z series, and it's a convertible. I absolutely love it. Now the only thing with this car, like every other used car you buy, it needs some attention, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a full service and find some time to do some detail inside, outside, and of course fix a few things that need to be fixed. For example, the dashboard, cracks here in the middle and on the passenger for Australia side. Definitely needs a bit of cleaning on the inside. Vacuum is the least. Need to fix the tachometer. I already ordered something, I'll show you a video for that. Pressure gauge is stuck behind the needle of the tachometer, so that's not a big of an issue. Everything else working just fine. Speedometer, temperature gauge, which is the most important, fuel gauge and everything. We have the original audio, which it doesn't work. It only indicates the hour, but it doesn't work. Everything else, air conditioning, heater, works absolutely fine. Power windows, yes. We need to do a bit of replacement up here, like these things. They got cracked because somebody put a different bolt, but these are details. Definitely have to replace the sun visors because they're quite filthy, and I have to put the power mirrors switch from here to here because they did put the whole thing but not the switch itself, and this one is broken. I have to replace that. At the back also a bit of detailing will do the job. I bought it from a guy here in Victoria and it was in really good condition. The price was tempting, so I thought, yeah, maybe let's go for it. His father imported it from the States, from California, many years ago. That's why they have to do the left-hand drive conversion. In Victoria, a vehicle has to be at least 25 years or older in order not to do the conversion and go just with the left-hand drive. But if you come to Victoria, you have to do the right-hand drive if it's less than 25 years old. Now the car is eligible for club permit, which I registered just yesterday. And let's go and see what's underneath this hood. This is the engine. This is the LB9 engine. It's a 5-liter V8 tuned port injection, TPI. It runs pretty okay, very smooth. There's no backfires or anything. It's a fuel injected model anyway, but definitely I'll have to replace the oil filter, spark plugs even, and then we'll go to the transmission filter and oil, and then defoil. Definitely replace the water in the radiator, put some fresh coolant because we don't know what's been in there. Another thing I want to check into the coolant system is the fact that in here I can see it's quite dirty and I have to clean this, the expansion tank. Check some slack on the steering wheel. I guess this is the nut that I check the slack. I'll replace the driving belt because I don't know how old it is. It seems worn, and I can see some rough area on the idler pulley. I have to replace that as well. So bits and pieces that I need to replace. Yes, of course I have to check the brakes and the brake system. I'll definitely replace the brake fluid because God knows how many years that's in there. Every 2 to 4 years you have to replace it because it has the ability to draw moisture in there, and moisture in the braking system is no good. Battery seems to be quite strong, and in general do a bit of nice cleaning on the engine compartment when I'll have the time. Oh yeah, I ordered K&N air filters, one's here and one's here, and of course I ordered the fuel filter, which is somewhere down underneath there, I think very close to the fuel tank, just to make a fresh start, mark everything, tick all the boxes, and make sure I'll do every service needed every year, or I don't think any sooner, because this car is going to be on club permit and I'm going to drive it only 45 days a year, maybe 90, maybe. Yeah, I love my Camaro.